Want a flatter belly? You can do it. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing a toned, flat stomach. It's not just a dream, it's a goal you can achieve with dedication and the right approach. 4 weeks is all it takes to see real results. That's just 28 days of commitment to a healthier, fitter you. Think about how quickly time flies. In just a month you can make a significant change. It's not magic, it's hard work. But every drop of sweat, every rep, and every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. But don't worry, it's achievable. With the right mindset and a solid plan, you can flatten your belly and feel great about your progress. Celebrate every small victory along the way. You can lose belly fat with the right exercises and a balanced diet. Incorporate core-strengthening workouts and nutritious meals into your routine. Think of food as fuel for your body and choose wisely. Are you ready to commit? Let's go. Lace up your sneakers, put on your workout gear, and get ready to embark on this transformative journey. Your future self will thank you for the effort you put in today. This isn't about quick fixes. It's about creating lasting habits that will keep you healthy and fit for life. Ditch the junk food and embrace a lifestyle that supports your goals. This is about making sustainable changes. Plan your meals ahead of time, follow a structured workout plan, and stay consistent. Consistency is key to seeing long-term results. Small steps lead to big results. Each healthy choice you make, no matter how small, adds up over time. Stay patient and trust the process. We'll focus on effective exercises and healthy eating. Join a fitness class for motivation, and fill your plate with colorful, nutrient-dense foods. Your body will thank you. You'll feel amazing inside and out. Not only will you see physical changes, but you'll also experience a boost in confidence and overall well-being. Embrace the new, healthier you. Let's get started on your journey to a flatter belly. Set your fitness goals, track your progress, and stay motivated. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Let's make these next 4 weeks count. Let's talk about cardio. It's your secret weapon for burning belly fat. Aim for 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity every week. That's just 30 minutes, 5 days a week. Easy, right? Think brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. These activities get your heart pumping. They help you burn calories and that stubborn belly fat. Mix it up. Keep your workouts fun and engaging. You'll be amazed at how good you feel. Strength training is key for a flatter belly. Don't worry, you don't need a gym membership. You can do bodyweight exercises at home. Aim for 2 sessions per week. Strength training builds muscle. Muscle burns more calories than fat, even at rest. This boosts your metabolism and helps you burn fat faster. Focus on compound exercises. These work multiple muscle groups at once. Some examples are squats, push-ups, and lunges. Let's build some muscle. Want a strong, sculpted core? Of course you do. Let's talk about core exercises. These target your abdominal muscles directly. They help tighten and tone your midsection. Planks, Russian twists, and leg raises are your new best friends. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions for each exercise. Remember to engage your core throughout each movement. This maximizes results. You'll be feeling the burn in no time. Section 5. Fueling your body. The importance of a balanced diet. You can exercise all you want, spend hours at the gym, and push yourself to the limit. But if your diet isn't on point, you won't see the results you deserve. It's like trying to build a house on a weak foundation. No matter how much effort you put in, it won't stand strong. A balanced diet is crucial for losing belly fat and achieving overall health. It's not just about cutting calories, it's about providing your body with the right nutrients to function optimally. Think of your body like a machine. Just as a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, your body needs the right nutrients to perform at its best. It needs the right fuel to perform at its best. Hydration is also key. Water helps transport nutrients and keeps your body functioning properly. Cut back on processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. These can lead to weight gain, sluggishness, and a host of health issues. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that your body needs to thrive. These foods provide the nutrients your body needs to thrive. Incorporating a variety of colors in your diet ensures you get a range of nutrients. For example, leafy greens are rich in iron and calcium, while orange vegetables like carrots and sweet potatoes are high in beta-carotene. Eating a balanced diet isn't just about individual health, it can also bring families together. Cooking and enjoying meals as a family can foster better eating habits and create lasting memories. Planning your meals ahead of time can help you stay on track. Meal prepping ensures you have healthy options available, reducing the temptation to reach for unhealthy snacks. Being mindful of what you eat starts with making informed choices at the grocery store. Reading nutrition labels and choosing fresh, whole foods can make a significant difference in your diet. Even when dining out, you can make healthier choices. Opt for dishes that are grilled, baked, or steamed rather than fried, and don't be afraid to ask for modifications to suit your dietary needs. Practicing mindful eating can also improve your relationship with food. Paying attention to hunger and fullness cues, savoring each bite and eating without distractions can help you enjoy your meals more and prevent overeating. A balanced diet not only helps you achieve your fitness goals but also boosts your energy levels, improves your mood, and enhances your overall quality of life. When you fuel your body with the right nutrients, you feel better, look better, and live better. Remember, a balanced diet is not about perfection, but about making better choices most of the time. Small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements in your health and well-being. Embrace the journey towards a balanced diet and enjoy the positive changes it brings to your life. Your body will thank you for it. Section 6. Hydration is key. Drink your way to a flatter belly. Staying hydrated is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to help you achieve a flatter belly. Water is your best friend when it comes to losing belly fat. Not only does it keep you hydrated, but it also plays a crucial role in your body's ability to burn fat. When you drink enough water, your body can function at its best, which includes metabolizing fat more efficiently. Aim to drink at least 2 liters of water per day. This might sound like a lot, but spreading it out over the course of the day makes it manageable. Start your day with a glass of water to kickstart your metabolism. Then, keep a water bottle with you and take sips regularly. Water keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Often our bodies can mistake thirst for hunger, leading us to eat when we actually need to hydrate. By drinking water throughout the day, you can help prevent unnecessary snacking and overeating. This can help prevent overeating. When you feel full, you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks or overeat during meals. Drinking water before meals can also help you eat less, as it takes up space in your stomach and makes you feel fuller faster. Water also helps flush out toxins and keeps your metabolism running smoothly. Your kidneys need water to filter waste from your blood and excrete it in urine. When you're well hydrated, your body can efficiently remove toxins, which can otherwise slow down your metabolism and make it harder to lose weight. Carry a water bottle with you throughout the day. Sip on it regularly. This not only ensures that you stay hydrated, but it also serves as a constant reminder to drink more water. Choose a bottle that you like and that is easy to carry around, whether you're at work, at the gym, or running errands. You can even add some lemon or cucumber for a refreshing twist. Adding a slice of lemon or cucumber not only makes your water taste better, but it can also provide additional health benefits. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which can boost your immune system, while cucumber is hydrating and contains antioxidants. Experiment with different fruits and herbs to find your favorite combination. Section 7. Mind over matter. Maintaining a positive mindset. Losing belly fat is a journey, not a race. There will be ups and downs. The key is to stay positive and focus on your goals. When you feel discouraged, remind yourself why you started this journey. Visualize yourself achieving your goals. Surround yourself with positive influences. Find a workout buddy or support group to keep you motivated. You've got this. Section 8. Listen to your body, rest and recovery. Rest and recovery are just as important as exercise and diet. Don't push yourself too hard. Give your body time to repair and rebuild. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Listen to your body and take rest days when you need them. Don't feel guilty about taking a break. It's essential for long-term success. Section 9. Consistency is key. Stay committed to your goals. Consistency is the name of the game when it comes to losing belly fat. Make exercise and healthy eating a part of your lifestyle. Don't expect overnight results. Focus on making small, sustainable changes over time. Every little bit counts. Stay consistent, stay dedicated, and you will see amazing results. Section 10. Celebrate your progress. Track your way to success. Tracking your progress can be incredibly motivating. Keep a journal of your food intake, exercise routine, and how you're feeling. Celebrate your successes along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Remember, you're making positive changes for your health and well-being. Be proud of yourself. Section 11. You've got this. Embrace the journey to a healthier you. Losing belly fat in 4 weeks is an achievable goal with the right mindset and plan. Remember to focus on a combination of aerobic exercise, strength training, and a balanced diet. Don't be afraid to challenge yourself and push your limits. But also, listen to your body and give it the rest it needs. Most importantly, believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals. You've got this.